What is up, guys? Aditya, and today I know a different video and a different bike. So actually, I'm going to Chikmagalur from Goa in a Himalayan 4x1. This is a ride organized by Royal Enfield, and we have just headed out. We are around what, 8-10 people, 8-9, something like that. Oh, also, if you don't know, I am a little bit of a coffee nerd, other than being a bike nerd, other than being a photography nerd. So the thing is, ki Chikmagalur is a coffee estate, you know. What that means is there's a big, big farm of coffee, plantation of coffee. What I'm trying to say is, ki I'm hoping that the views would be nice. I would go on to say, and I know it will be a little controversial, but it is kind of a fact that coffee, specialty coffee in general, is far more diverse and far more complex than wine. There's a whole coffee taste wheel which I'll put up in the video right now. It's basically defining the notes of coffee. For instance, Kokoro. Kokoro is a roaster from India, and they roast one of the finest coffee that has the notes of nuts. I have no idea why the check engine light is on, but the RE guys told me that there's nothing to worry about. I don't think I'll be talking much, but I'll be including a lot of clips from the ride. And if the views are great, I'll be making it in separate parts. To be very honest with you, I'm not a fan of group rides, but I thought I'd give it a shot.
We have to maintain the space between us and we have to be in one line.
Some more people joined in. You know, back in the day when I did not have my bike, I used to want a ADV or at least an adventure tourer. But I've always wanted a Himalayan, always. I mean, I don't think I want one right now. Not that it's bad or something, but when I was a kid, I wanted a Himalayan and I wanted to tour on it. And I am touring on a Himalayan right now. To everyone who thinks that manifestation does not work, you literally have the proof right here. I had no freaking clue that I'd be going out on a 1,000-kilometer journey on a Himalayan. Everything just happened so fast. That's what she said. Anyway, manifestation does work. It takes its own sweet time, but it does work. Okay, I am definitely coming on my RC here, dude. I am definitely. Okay, we're about to reach the halfway mark, and in total it was around 475 kilometers, and we have covered almost 200 kilometers. Not exactly halfway, but close. So one thing, this was an impromptu plan, okay, and I had just this jacket in Goa with me, and for your information, this only had level 1 protectors, as it comes with level 1 when you buy it. It is a Revit Hyperspeed GT Air 2, if I'm not wrong.
Perambadura Chinnaswamy Muttuswamy Venugopala.
I had to order level 2 protectors for it, but the estimated time for delivery was 2nd of May to 3rd of May, which was 2 days ahead of what I was planning to get my Amazon. Research a bit, and I came to know that Viterra sells this pack of protectors, and I think they're Safe Tech branded, and they seem that they might fit. So I contacted Moto Voyager, which is a riding gear shop here in Goa, and I definitely recommend you guys checking that out because they have literally everything, and it is owned by a friend of mine, Sherman, He's a great guy. He is an automotive journalist. You know, they know what they're selling and they can help you, or they can guide you to the right gear that you would want. .30 kilometers left. I'll make episodes, so this will be the episode 1, and with a good view I'll end episode 1 right here. Thanks for watching, and always remember, looking good is cool and being safe is cooler. Bye bye.